Good morning, traders. My name is Samuel. Greeting you from the land of the rising sun. I'm going to give you again, as I do always, the weekly analysis, technical analysis on forex, crypto, stock, indices, commodity, whatever that you can trade. As I do every week. So if this is the first time you are watching my video, like, share, and subscribe. The reason I want you to like, share, and subscribe is that you will help somebody, and you will also make YouTube to share my video to many people. So now, I also have mentorship program. You will see my number at the bio of this video. If you like my style, the way I trade and analyze, and you want to learn, contact me. I also have free Telegram channel, 2 of them. WhatsApp channel is one, but I focus more on Telegram. So join Telegram channel. Here I share charts and trade setups from time to time. Like this past week, those who are following me would have made 1,000, 1,500, or 2,000 pips, because almost all the trade setups I dropped there, made money fantastically. So now let's go to the business. If remember to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so now in the past, I'm looking for DXY, either to turn here or up here, 108, 109, 110, 111. But I think we are not coming here anymore. Okay, so we may not come here anymore. So let's go lower to 4 hours. The only reason we will go there again is if price keep going up and break this high, then we may be going to that zone again. But for now, I think the market is now selling. So the correction will likely be over. Maybe you may see the market come up somewhere like maybe a kind of this type of move and begin to go down. Meanwhile, not a must, it must do this, but I think the market is going down in my opinion. So I'm not expecting buying anymore. That's for DXY. USD CAD. As I said that I share this chart also. So to me, this is wave 1, wave 2, and we are going down. Okay, so sorry for the labeling. I don't have much time to label everything. I will be doing that when I have class with my students. I don't have time again. When I have much time, I to label everything, but now no time to do that. So pardon me, but I will at least show you the direction where the market is going. So this market is going down. I have no reason whatsoever to buy. Meanwhile, if price comes up again and break this high, I'll be looking for buy. But now I am only looking for sell. Okay, so let's continue. Here's DXY. I'm also looking, it's a confirmed the selling. So to me, this is the wave 5. So now the question is, how much will it drop? Okay, let me go to daily. Will it still go back and continue moving up? I think the answer is either no or yes. I cannot say yes or no or so no. As long as the market did not break this high, since this high is not broken, the possibility of getting a new low is here. But at least let's focus on this drop. Let's focus on 0.88, 0.87, 0.86 zone for now. So what we're gonna do is either you go down to 1 hour or 4 hours and look for sell. So to me, USDJ for now is selling. USD. For me now, USD is buying. Okay, last time I showed you all this. Last time I showed you all this, that the market will drop to this place and begin to buy. It's happened like that. Now the market seems to be trying to drop. Maybe something like this will happen to begin to buy again. I don't have alternate count on your USD and DXY. As long as this place has been broken, the possibility of getting lower, I don't see it again. Though anything happen in the market, but I don't see it. The one I see, I will show you. For now, I don't see any reason whatsoever this pair will begin to go down again and give us new low for this time, because it has come to our reversal zone and the reversal has taken place. Pounds USD. It's also reversed at our reversal zone. It's now going up. This two candle pattern somehow calls for worry. But I think the worst it can do is to bring the market down to this zone. So I'm not looking for new low. No. I'm looking for maybe the price will come to this zone and begin to go up again. Or it can even begin to go up from here. Okay, so that's for pounds USD. AUD USD, one of the best trades of last week and last 2 weeks. It's reversed at our reversal zone and keep going up. The main reversal zone is here. It's reversed here. Give us a move up, dropped. I shared this on my Telegram channel. That's why you join my Telegram channel. I share all these charts I'm showing you on my Telegram channel. I covered most of them on last week's video. But you know, that's what I call follow-up. The reason you will join my Telegram channel is for follow-up. For instance, I know the market will drop anytime, but there's no way I will know where to target until it begins to drop. So when it begins to drop, I share this chart that here is my target, that it will reverse around here and go up. And that's what happened. And even still now, it's still going up. So even if it goes a little lower, it's still going up. New Zealand USD, the same thing. It reversed at our reversal zone again. You can see our reversal zone. It dropped there. It's going to go up. So what are we expecting? The worst is that it will now come again to this place and go up again. So now, okay, let me show you. Okay, let me show the chart. Those of those who are watching me for the first time, I've shown this more than 5 times. What I'm looking for is a similar move like this. You see this type of move. That's what I'm looking for from here, because it has made a nice correction. And here is our reversal zone. It has reversed here. We tested it and it's going up again. So now the trade I won't close for maybe in next 1 month is this trade. It will be on because I know it will nothing but go up to this kind level. Okay, so that's for USD. Yeah, BT25. And last week, last 2 weeks and last week, it didn't come to our reversal zone. It reversed before the reversal zone. And it seems it wants to come back to complete it. So no trade for me now. But if you go down to 1 hour, you know that it is buying. But I don't want to buy. But I want to see it come to this reversal zone, and I know how it will react. So after here, I'll do a set up. If I just set it up, I will sell because the selling will be much. Okay, so the selling will be much. So that's why I don't want to buy. You know, JPY. Let me show you daily on yen page. Remember, for the past 3 weeks, I've been saying focus on yen page, focus on yen page. There's something I see on yen page that I will say focus on yen page. So now, if this channel is broken, then we will likely, this page will likely drop to 150 and below. You know, this place is a minimum target for this dropping. So let me go back to 4 hours. So this place is my minimum target. And this is what I think the market is going to do. The market will maybe do this, drop to this place, do something like this, and begin to go down again. I don't see it reversing here and giving us a new high. It can happen, but I don't expect that. So the market has been going up for a long time, and it's time to give us a big correction. All the yen pairs. USD JPY. Similar to, let me check daily again to know if similar. Okay, not somehow similar, but at least we may be on our way. Okay, the trend lines coincide with this. So first of all, let us get the price to this. Okay, the price is almost here. The price is here already. So what happened is that I'll be looking for another sell setup. Unless I see an impulse move up. If I don't see an impulse move, I will continue to look for sell setup because the selling, I think, is gonna go much lower. Pounds JPY, same situation. Let me check daily again. Okay. Let's watch out for this zone. Let's watch out for this reversal zone, this trend line. If it just breaks this trend line, I can tell you it will drop much. You may see 170, 175, 172, and so on. If this line is broken. But now let's focus on the current reversal zone, which is almost there. Okay. Gold. I'm looking for gold to drop to this zone, but it seems to be making another pattern. Nevertheless, my trade is already on break even. So in the worst case scenario, it will close on break even. Okay, I want you with correction that correction can take any form at any time. So that's what correction is always the headache for traders. So now we might be getting ending diagonal, but to me, this diagonal, the shape is not the kind of diagonal we can trust. So I think we will see go down to this zone. Now, my advice is that if you don't have open position, you better place sell stop here. Let me put it, sell stop. Sell stop here. Sell stop. Then target will be here, stop loss will be here. Okay, stop loss will be here. Let me show you. Stop loss here, target here. Okay, so silver is similar situation on silver. So let me go to 4 hours again on silver. So my target is down here, but it may truncate. So if price goes above here, above this place, above 27 or 26.8 zone, you can look for buy. But the ultimate invitation is this place. Okay. So, but I think you will still get this. So if you don't have experience on such, you can leave it for now and focus on other pairs like euro and yen pairs, where we have everything seemingly accurate. Platinum came to our reversal zone, moved a bit higher above it. Though I didn't trade the platinum because I have much open trades. So I don't overtrade. I can have 4 open trades at a time. I don't like to have more than 4, unless I have secured some. For instance, if I have Euro USD, LUD USD, Euro Yen as open trades, if I have moved them to break even, I can open more trades. But if both of them are still open for loss, I cannot trade more than 4. Okay, so I haven't traded this, but I will trade it when market opens because almost all my trades are at break even. I have 7 trades at break even. So what I will do is either I made a sell stop from here, sell stop, or I look for another pattern, which I cannot show you now. So I'll add it to my trading, okay, because I see it's going down. USOIL, my best trade so far. Remember 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago, I show you daily charts. I show you that you cannot ignore this type of candlestick pattern. You can see this, don't ignore this. Something like that also repeated. So I sold oil right from here. It is still going down. All I can do is to be moving it to break even. My stop loss is now at break even with much profit. So I don't have any fear about oil because I have already secured my profit. And remember, at the beginning of the year, I said that oil might drop to below 60. So that possibility is still open. Meanwhile, our target on oil is 77 to 75. When we get there, we know what next to do. US 100. You place here as our reversal pattern, it reverse and go up again. So I'm expecting I will still sell it. If it comes to this zone, if it comes to 17,950 to 18,132, I look for sell setup on 1 hour time frame, and I will sell again because here is my target. If you haven't gotten to the target, okay, and I haven't seen a pattern that seems to be impulsive pattern, unless this is the leading diagonal. For those who understand, this can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leading diagonal. Then we get A, B, C. So even if I sell from here and it wasn't an impulse, at least it will give me A, B, C. By then, my market will close at break even. But if you understand the wave analysis, you will be happy trading because you hardly made losses, or you cannot make losses blindly. Market can turn against you. Maybe news can come out. Market will temporarily behave abnormal and you lose. But if you are a web analyst, you always lose more when you lose. SP 500, my target is here. They're giving me another opportunity to sell. They're giving me an ABC to sell. So down to 1 hour, I am selling here, but not right now. I am still looking for a pattern to sell. Yeah, maybe it can still enter the reversal zone properly. It haven't entered there. Because I see this one as a running flat. This is a running flat. So the reversal pattern, unless it's truncated, if not, it will likely enter here again. So this is, and let me label this one sharply. A, B, C. So this is, as I said earlier, this is A, B, C. So that is a running flat, what we call a running flat. Okay. If you join our class, we teach you all these things. When you see them, you will know what you are seeing. So selling not yet over on SP 500. So let's continue. US 30, one of the best trades for the past 2 weeks. Let me show you 4 hours. It kept dropping from here. It didn't hit our target. It is going up, and it has given us another good opportunity to trade. So when the market enters this zone, I look for sell. If it truncates, I will know where to sell based on our time frame. So all these things is what I share with my subscribers on Telegram, free of charge. Though not all of them. Sometimes I will share 3 setups on general group and share 8, 7, or 10 on VIP and students group. I share everything with the students and VIP, but on general charts, I share randomly. But last week, I shared many with a general group. So join us, it's for own advantage. Okay, DAX, I expect it to, let me go to 1 hour. I expect DAX to break this channel and come down. I don't think we are going up to this reversal zone. I don't see the strength again to go up to this reversal zone. I don't see it. So that's for DAX. Dow has entered our reversal zone. So I think Placing sell stop here would be a good idea. Sell stop will be a good idea. And stop loss will be here at 9,850 or at 9,900, anyone. So, and the dropping is too much. Okay, so I think I've covered everything I have to cover. This AUJPY, I don't cover it here, but I share it to my students. Other players, AUD card, oh, a nice trade. I saw this one at the break of this channel, and it's still on. I say on. Let me, before hours, one of the best trades of for the year. It's still going up, up, up. Let me show you the daily. So my target is here. Oh, it's a nice trade. My target is here, 0.9 to 0.93. So let me now go to Bitcoin and end this video. No need of making it wasting your time because there's nothing much to explain. So Bitcoin, there's something I shared with people on Telegram and WhatsApp channel. I said, okay, let me go down to 4 hours. That's the time frame I shared. I said, if Bitcoin doesn't, okay, I have removed most of them. But the first, if you are on my Telegram channel, I must have, you see it. I said, Bitcoin will reverse the new market. Bitcoin will reverse here, or here, or here. Okay, so now it is obvious that it has reversed here. It's no longer coming down here. The one thing you must be aware of is that Bitcoin is making a new high, but I don't think it will, let me try to be technical. I keep telling people, I don't expect anything above at 5,000. That is, my expectation is between 80,000 to 85,000. If it goes beyond that, fine and good. But I don't like to give myself false hope because I have been in this market long enough to know how the market moves technically. So let me check again. So my target for Bitcoin is between 78,000 to 80,000. But there's what we call Web 5 extension. So if you have Web 5 extension, it means that we are going to maybe to 85,000. But if it doesn't happen, expect Bitcoin to turn back between 80,000, 82,000, 83,000. That is based on the knowledge I have. So or do I check Ethereum? Let me try to check Ethereum. ETH, Ethereum, US dollar. Ethereum is even lagging. Ethereum. Okay, this is the only thing I can do on Ethereum. So Ethereum will confirm the buying when here is broken. Ethereum, once here is broken, Ethereum is confirmed buy. But there is buy setup. There's buy setup at the lower zone based on 1 hour time frame. But I didn't take it. I didn't trade it. Okay, so maybe let me just give you this free lesson. Yeah. Let me give you this free lesson. Ethereum, if it begins to reverse from here, expect it to do this. and go up. If it goes higher before reversal, maybe it goes higher before reversal, then this thing will maybe shift more. So for now, let me leave it here. Okay, but expect Ethereum to give us this type of move before buying. Okay, so that's where I'm beginning to the end today's analysis. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, join our Telegram channel. It's for own benefit. Share with your friends. If you need mentorship, contact me. I charge little money and I only charge once. And I don't rush you into learning everything in one month or 6 months or even 1 year. I give you time because I know some people have much time to learn and trade. Some are so busy that they have maybe 2 or 3 hours in a week. So because of that, I make it flexible so that anybody can suit in. Thank you for watching, and God bless you. For those who believe in God.